Why don't you say something a little more reasonable?
So, what's the problem?
You're an asshole is the problem.
Why? Why am I an asshole? That's all you're gonna say?
Yeah.
Well, I don't understand though. Why am I an asshole? No? You don't want to tell me? Is your arm tired?
See her all day.
Your finger went down.
Yeah, right.
Means your arm's getting tired.
So why don't you say something a little more reasonable like you're right? I didn't fucking move all the goddamn snow, motherfucker.
Alright, what was it again?
So obviously, where do you live?
I live over there.
Yeah, where?
I'm not gonna tell you exactly where I live. You're crazy. You're like freaking out right now. I'm about to leave the spot.
I'm freaking out right now.
Honestly.
I came here in the middle of the night to get a spot that I've cleared out every fucking day.
You mean 5 days ago? You mean 5 days ago? It's 48 hours, lady. You get 48 hours.
Where's your fucking spot?
Huh?
Where's your fucking spot?
I don't get a spot because I have a huge truck.
What did you do when the snow happened? Where the hell were you?
I just fucking park wherever I could.
Exactly what? In other people's spots?
No, I don't.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
What do you think this is?
A spot 5 days after a snowstorm. I didn't realize that you had something. You didn't have anything here.
You're so full of shit.
Oh, all right. What did I have here?
There was my blue recycle bin was there.
Your blue fucking recycling bin? Why don't you get a chair or something? There was no blue recycling bin?
Was there.
Was here.
Yeah, it was.
Are you sure someone else didn't park here and move it? Because people fucking do that all the time. I don't do that shit.
What time did you park here?
I wouldn't have parked here.
What time did you park here?
I parked here 11:30 last night. No, I got here early at 6.
And there was no recycle bin there.
No, I'm trying to fucking tell you that. Why would I fucking I don't like to get my car keyed, all right? I know I'm arguing here, but I mean, I don't like to get my car keyed, I'm honest to God.
What's your name?
My name is Scott. What's yours?
Jamie.
It's nice to meet you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Do you understand?
I understand you complain.
How much fucking snow we've had and how much time I have cleared this out every time. Other people know. We know where each other park. You know what I'm saying?
I've never
Where the hell are you?
I've never parked up here before.
Where do you live?
I live down here. There's 11:30. There's
Where do you park?
normally down there.
Where were you when all the snow was falling? What were you doing?
With all the snow, what was I doing?
What were you doing?
Driving my truck, prepared.
And so you just show up, park wherever?
Yeah. If there's not a bin or anything, like a recycling bin. This is a bit of Scott production.